If you run a gym or rent out anything on a schedule, you already know the question that matters. Who's about to lapse and who already has? This is one Google sheet that answers it and updates the moment someone pays. Every membership business has a handful of plans, monthly, quarterly, whatever you sell. Type them once here with how many months they last and what they cost. Everything downstream reads off this table. Type a member's name, pick a plan. The join date freezes itself the moment the name shows up. And the end date? Nobody typed that either. It's just join date, pushed forward by however many months they've ever paid for. A member renews. You add one row here. Who and which plan done? Noah was lapsed 41 days ago. Log his renewal, and his months paid goes up, his end date jumps forward, and his status flips from lapsed to active. Renew early instead, and you keep the days you already paid for. And because every payment lives in one column, the revenue by month number is just adding it up. Here's the payoff. This tab has exactly one formula. Show me everyone who's expiring soon or already lapsed, most overdue at the top. Nobody filters this, nobody sorts it. It's always current because it's a formula, not a report. Renew someone on the other tab, and they vanish from this one on their own. 4 tabs: a plan list, a member list, a payment log, and a list that tells you who to call. No app, no developer, no app script, just a Google sheet, formulas, and one shared link. Make your own copy. It's in the description. It's yours to run.